Welcome to the Aero World, your gateway to the most breathtaking destinations and hidden gems across the globe. Today, we're taking you on a sun-soaked journey to one of Florida's most captivating cities, Boca Raton. Hey, adventurers! I'm Jennifer, and today the Aero World is exploring the luxurious charm and natural beauty of Boca Raton, a place where upscale living meets coastal paradise. From the art-filled avenues of Mizner Park to the tranquil waters of the Atlantic, Boca Raton is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Dive into the heart of Boca Raton with us as we uncover the top 7 must-do activities that make this city a must-visit destination. Whether you're an art aficionado, a nature lover, or just in need of some beach time, Boca Raton has something for everyone. So, are you ready to experience the blend of culture, adventure, and relaxation that Boca Raton has to offer? Join us as we explore the vibrant life, stunning landscapes, and rich history of this Florida jewel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss an episode of the Aero World. Let's get started on this unforgettable journey. Number 7. Red Reef Park. Red Reef Park is a prime example of Boca Raton's natural beauty, offering visitors a unique blend of recreational and educational experiences. This oceanfront park is a haven for snorkelers and nature enthusiasts, featuring a living reef just offshore. It also houses the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center's sea turtle sanctuary, providing a rare opportunity to observe these majestic creatures. With its picturesque picnic areas, walking trails, and the intracoastal waterway offering kayaking and paddleboarding, Red Reef Park is a must-visit for anyone looking to connect with Florida's coastal environment. In Boca Raton, the blend of cultural richness, environmental beauty, and recreational variety creates a destination that appeals to every taste and interest. Whether seeking a day of sophisticated shopping and art, a deep dive into the wonders of local ecosystems, or simply a peaceful day under the Florida sun, Boca Raton delivers. Embark on your journey to this coastal paradise and discover the myriad experiences that await. Number 6. Sugar Sand Park. Venture into the heart of Boca Raton's family-friendly entertainment at Sugar Sand Park, a destination that promises fun and learning wrapped in a lush outdoor setting. This sprawling park is not merely a playground, it's an adventure land where imagination meets nature, offering a multitude of recreational activities, educational experiences, and leisure opportunities for families and visitors of all ages. At the center of Sugar Sand Park is the Science Playground, a vast area dedicated to stimulating the minds and bodies of young explorers. Picture a place where children can climb towering structures, navigate through intricate mazes, and interact with educational exhibits that spark curiosity about the physical world. This playground is more than just slides and swings, it's a hands-on museum without walls, encouraging kids to learn through play. Sugar Sand Park goes beyond the traditional playground experience by offering a variety of programs and workshops aimed at engaging young minds. From art classes to science experiments, these activities are designed to enrich the educational journey of children, providing them with the tools to explore, create, and imagine. The park serves as a community hub for learning, offering a space where families can come together to discover and grow. But Sugar Sand Park isn't just for the kids, it's a haven for the whole family. With its state-of-the-art Willow Theater, outdoor amphitheater, and field house, the park hosts a variety of events, from live performances and movies in the park to sports competitions and recreational leagues. These facilities ensure that there's always something happening at Sugar Sand Park, making it a vibrant center for community entertainment and gatherings. Amidst the excitement and buzz of activities, Sugar Sand Park also offers tranquil spaces for those seeking a moment of peace. The park's nature trails and boardwalks invite visitors to take a leisurely stroll, immerse themselves in the beauty of Florida's flora and fauna, and perhaps catch a glimpse of local wildlife. It's a reminder that amidst our busy lives, nature offers a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Number 5. Spanish River Park. Spanish River Park, affectionately known as Boca's Lagoon, offers a lush oasis amidst the urban landscape. This park serves as a gateway to the natural beauty of Boca Raton, providing a tranquil environment for relaxation and recreation. With its combination of sandy shores, shaded picnic areas, and scenic trails, Spanish River Park is a cherished destination for locals and visitors alike. The park's trails invite exploration, leading adventurers through diverse habitats that showcase Florida's flora and fauna. As you wander these paths, the sounds of the city fade, replaced by the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. It's an opportunity to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh air, and to find solace in the beauty of the natural world. Recreational facilities at the park cater to a variety of interests, from fishing and kayaking to bird watching and photography. The park's layout encourages outdoor activities, providing spaces where families can play, couples can stroll hand in hand, and individuals can embark on a personal journey of discovery. It's a place that celebrates the joy of outdoor living, encouraging visitors to embrace the active lifestyle that Boca Raton embodies. Educational programs and environmental initiatives at Spanish River Park underscore the city's commitment to conservation and awareness. Through guided tours, workshops, and interactive exhibits, the park educates visitors about the importance of preserving our natural habitats. It's an interactive experience that enriches the mind and spirit, offering valuable lessons on the role each of us plays in protecting the environment for future generations. Number 4. Boca Raton Beaches. Boca Raton's beaches are the epitome of Florida's famed coastal beauty, offering miles of soft, sandy shores and the inviting waters of the Atlantic Ocean. These beaches are a haven for relaxation and recreation, where the stresses of daily life melt away with each wave that crashes onto the shore. It's a place where families come together, friends make memories, and individuals find peace amidst the natural splendor. For those seeking adventure, the beaches of Boca Raton provide ample opportunities for water sports and activities. From the thrill of jet skiing to the serenity of paddleboarding, the ocean becomes a playground for the young and the young at heart. It's an invitation to embrace the joy of movement, to challenge oneself, and to experience the exhilaration of being at one with the sea. But the beaches offer more than just physical activities. They are a place for contemplation, for watching the sunrise over the horizon, and for stargazing on a clear night. The rhythmic sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun, and the gentle breeze create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the beauty that surrounds us. Amenities and facilities at Boca Raton's beaches ensure a comfortable and enjoyable visit for everyone. Lifeguards, restrooms, picnic areas, and playgrounds make these beaches not just beautiful, but safe and family-friendly. Whether you're planning a day of adventure or a tranquil retreat by the sea, Boca Raton's beaches are the perfect backdrop for your coastal escape. Number 3. Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. At the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center, the beauty of Boca Raton's natural environment is on full display, offering a sanctuary for both wildlife and visitors. This center is a testament to the city's dedication to preserving its natural habitats, providing a space where education and conservation go hand in hand. Here, families can embark on a journey of discovery, learning about the delicate ecosystems that make Florida unique. The Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Facility is a highlight of the center, offering a rare glimpse into the efforts to protect these majestic creatures. Visitors can learn about the challenges sea turtles face and the conservation strategies employed to ensure their survival. It's a powerful reminder of the impact humans have on the natural world and the steps we can take to make a difference. The nature trails and boardwalks at Gumbo Limbo invite exploration, winding through mangroves and coastal hammocks. Each step reveals new wonders, from the fluttering of butterflies in the garden to the sight of a manatee gliding through the water. It's an immersive experience that connects visitors with the environment, fostering a sense of awe and respect for nature's beauty and complexity. Educational programs and guided tours enhance the Gumbo Limbo experience, providing insights into the flora and fauna that inhabit the center. These programs are designed to inspire curiosity and understanding, offering hands-on learning opportunities that are both fun and informative. Whether it's a child participating in a marine biology workshop or an adult attending a lecture on environmental conservation, Gumbo Limbo offers something for everyone to learn and enjoy. Number 2. Boca Raton Museum of Art. The Boca Raton Museum of Art stands as a beacon of cultural enrichment, showcasing an impressive collection that spans the globe and history. Here, art enthusiasts can immerse themselves in a world where classical meets contemporary, and every piece tells a story. The museum is not just a place to view art, it's an invitation to engage with it, offering insights into the creative minds that have shaped our cultural landscape. Educational programs at the museum serve as a bridge between the art and the viewer, offering workshops, lectures, and guided tours that enrich the museum experience. These programs cater to all ages, making art accessible and enjoyable for children, adults, and seniors alike. It's an opportunity to learn, to create, and to inspire, fostering a deeper appreciation for the arts within the community. Special exhibitions and events at the museum keep the experience fresh and dynamic, ensuring that there's always something new to discover. From retrospectives of renowned artists to showcases of emerging talents, these exhibitions highlight the diversity and richness of the art world. It's a testament to the museum's commitment to fostering an environment where art is celebrated, studied, and loved. The museum's architecture and beautifully landscaped surroundings provide a tranquil backdrop for a day of exploration. As you wander through the galleries, the world outside fades away, leaving you enveloped in the beauty and majesty of the art. It's a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a moment of reflection and connection to the creative spirit that dwells within us all. Number 1. Mizner Park. Mizner Park is the crown jewel of Boca Raton, embodying the essence of upscale shopping, dining, and entertainment. This lifestyle hub is where sophistication meets leisure, offering an array of options for every taste and preference. Whether you're on the hunt for the latest fashion trends or in search of a unique art piece, Mizner Park's boutiques and galleries provide a shopping experience that goes beyond the ordinary. But Mizner Park is more than just a shopping destination. It is a cultural haven, boasting the Mizner Park Amphitheater and the Boca Raton Museum of Art within walking distance. Imagine spending your day exploring the finest retail stores, followed by an evening of live music under the stars or an immersive journey through art and history. This seamless blend of activities makes Mizner Park a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the vibrant heart of Boca Raton. Seasonal events and festivals transform Mizner Park into a bustling hub of activity, offering something new with each visit. From art festivals to holiday celebrations, these events bring the community and visitors together, creating a lively atmosphere that is infectious. It's a place where laughter fills the air, and the spirit of Boca Raton comes alive. For those looking to unwind, the park offers a plethora of dining options, from casual cafes to fine dining restaurants. Each establishment offers a taste of the world, with cuisines ranging from Italian to Asian, making every meal an adventure in itself. After dinner, why not cap off the evening with a movie at the iPic Theater, where luxury and comfort meet the cinematic experience?